Hello, class. This is a video to explain how to multiply exponents with the same base. So by the base, we're talking about the big numbers that you see here. Okay, those are the bases. And the exponents are the little numbers that we see up. So they're kind of like the raised numbers are the exponents. The big numbers are the bases. I think of like bases down to the ground anyway. And think of exponent extra, so it's extra high up. That might be a way to help you figure it out or to remember that. But the important thing here is that we're doing what it says here, multiplying exponents with the same base. Now, as we say multiplying exponents with the same base, you're going to see that actually you end up adding the exponents here, and you keep the base the same. So when you're multiplying, you see that dot means that raised dot means multiplying. If I'm multiplying 5 to the 4th times 5 to the 7th, I keep the same base. So the base stays the same. I'm going to keep that as 5. So the base is 5, so it's 5. And then for the exponent, I just take the 4 and the 7 and I add them. And 4 plus 7 is 11. So in other words, 5 to the 4th times 5 to the 7th equals 5 to the 11th. Again, how did we get there? We first look at the bases. The bases are the same, so I keep the same base. Then I simply add the exponents. 4 plus 7 is 11. So 5 to the 4th times 5 to the 7th equals 5 to the 11th. So I'm going to go right next door. I have 6 to the 2nd power times 6 to the 5th. Or some people might say 6 squared times 6 fifth. 6 to the 5th, sorry. So first take note, okay, my bases are the same, so I can do what I did in this example. My bases are the same. My base is a 6, so I'm just going to keep it as a 6. And then I simply do what with the exponents? I just add them. So 2 plus 5 is 7. So the answer is 6 to the 7th power. 6 to the 2nd power times 6 to the 5th power equals 6 to the 7th power. Again, how did we get there? We take note, make sure the bases are the same, and they are. So my base is going to stay 6, and I just add the exponents. 2 plus 5 is 7. Pretty simple, right? I would think so. Not too complicated. But I want to show you that it also works with variables. So as long as my base is the same, and here you see they are, I have a base of A and A, so I'm going to keep that base. My base is A, and I have A to the 3rd power times A to the 7th power, so I'm simply just going to add those exponents. 3 plus 7, so it's going to be A to the what? A to the 10th power. So again, how do we get there? A to the 3rd times A to the 7th equals A to the 10th. We got there by noting that our basis was the same and keeping it the same. And then we did add in the exponents. 3 plus 7 is 10. So right next door, I have n to the 5th times n to the 6th, or n to the 5th power times n to the 6th power. Are my bases the same? Yes, they are. They're both n's, so I'm going to keep my base as n. And then what am I going to do with the exponents? And now I'm sure you figure we're just going to add them. 5 plus 6 is 11. Okay, so very simply, n to the 5th times n to the 6th is n to the 11th. We got there by noting that the bases are the same. N to the 5th, n to the 6th, add them, n to the 11th. So hopefully this video was helpful. And what you'll be doing is you'll be completing the work with a partner before we get to the challenge that you'll see here. And we'll talk about that more in class. All right, so hopefully this video was helpful, and talk to you soon.